Hey guys, welcome back. This video is a part of my instant help video playlist. Just go through the playlist. You will get loads of video where I have provided quick solution. Okay guys, let's start. In this video I am going to talk about string interpolation in JavaScript, or say template literal. And for this, just think like we need to add some character in the starting of the string as well as in the end of the string. Let's say we have a variable is str, and str is something balajeemishra. Okay, and let's say here I want to add a in the starting of the string and z in the end of the string. Guys, for this we have to just write the syntax like this: a plus str plus z. Okay, and here you can see a is in starting and z is in end. Guys, this is a basic case, and many times we needed it. Now we will understand string interpolation, and for this I will do same task. I mean, I will add a in starting and z in end, but this time we will do it by string interpolation. For this we will take back keyword, and inside back keyword just write a. Okay, then here we will write our variable, and for this write dollar sign, then curly braces, and inside curly braces just write your variable name. Okay, and in the last of the string we will add z, and again this sign, and now you can see our result is same as previous result. This is what the string interpolation is. By using it, you can insert any variable or function or object, you can say, inside a string by using dollar sign and curly braces. Okay guys, I hope you could get help with this video, and please like and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.